I really like, or I really love doing this whenever I build old school master grade model kits during the 90s. I really like sniffing the plastic because this brings me back to the 90s where life is really simple, life is happy, life is fun, and the model kits back then are really simple to build. Brings back the 90s feels. Hey, what's up everyone? This is Kimmerman from Kimmerman Gunpla Studio. Today I have here a model kit which came from the anime series Stardust Memory, or Gundam Stardust Memory, and this is one of my favorite anime series, or Gundam Mecha anime series. And I have here the 1997 release of Bandai. As you can see, there's this red logo here, and this is the Gundam GP01FB, or the full burner, something like that. And this is the upgraded version of the GP01, because that time in the anime, GP01 received so much damage from fighting the Zeon forces, and so they upgraded the GP01 into this GP01FB to have a faster mobility in Earth and in space. So because of additional boosters, so I am excited to build this, and I bought this kit from a friend here in the Philippines. He sold this to me at 1,600 pesos, and he is Mr. Roy, and thank you very much, Mr. Roy, for selling this to me. We are part of the Rizal Gundam Builders, and I had a chance to meet him and buy this model kit from him. So let's check this kit out and let's see what this Gundam GP01FB has to offer us. And this is your ancient master grades from 1997. Gundam GP01FB. So this is the UNT Spacey prototype multi-purpose mobile suit, and this is an old kit which was released by Bandai during 1997, and as you can see, the red logo implies that this is the old stocks, or the one of the earlier releases, and this is a master grade kit, meaning this is a 1/100 scale, and the box is really nostalgic to me, as I remember this was the rampant designs, or the rampant style of printing Gundam boxes during the 90s. And can check the box here. The side of the box, you can see gimmicks or the features of this Gundam. You can see the core fighter. The core fighter is being upgraded. It has this two massive side boosters aside from the regular booster in the back here. So this will have a great flight mobility in Earth atmosphere and in space. And we got this features where this core fighter can be your core block, or part of the torso or body of the Gundam. There we have this elongated gimmick for the chest boosters, and there we can see the core fighter being combined with the upper body of the Gundam GP01FB. There we got these feet becomes more elongated, so we got additional parts to be installed or applied on the foot. And there we got the weapons. There's this token beam rifle and your beam saber, and of course the shield, which I think retains the same style from the GP01, the original one. Okay, so the other side of the box, we can see the front view, the rear view. So this got an upgraded feels from the GP01. So it's very nice. It looks really nice. And there the head, still the same with your regular GP01. It's the core block. There's the cockpit hatch open mode here, and so much improvement from the old one. The box is really nice and doesn't have any dents, because Mr. Roy really preserved and took a good care for his model kits before he sold this to me. So if we open the box here, we can see the common feature of the model kits from the 90s, where it has this front cover from the box. Aside from the box art, we got this front cover here, which is a really nice accessory for me, because I like to preserve this kind of cardboard where I can display this in my Gundam memorabilia. And there we got this instruction manual. We got the name ZEPHYRANTHES. So this is the GP01 name, ZEPHYRANTHES. And if we open the manual here, we can see the old style of Gundam printouts or Gundam manual printouts, but unfortunately it is written in Japanese and I cannot read that, of course. And there it has the same vibes from the GP01 manual and other old school master grade kits. But I really like this features here where they show the blueprints of the model kit, which really I like. I miss this features because you cannot see this anymore in the new releases. So there we got the centerfold. You can see some clippings from or depiction from the anime, and some painting guidelines there. Okay, and we got this back or the rear view of the model kit from the back of the manual. Okay, let's go to the packaging. We got this first pack here, multicolored runners. Second pack here, we got this white runners or minty white runners with some gray inner frame parts. Third runner here, we got this all minty white runners for the armor pieces. Fourth pack, we got this blue runners and some white parts here and gray parts. Fifth pack, we got red runners here for the feet and some blue runners for the shield, and we got some polycaps inside. And the sixth runner, we got this gray parts and red parts for the feet. And finally, the seventh runner here, we got this gray parts, gray inner frame parts, and a bunch of polycaps. So as always, let's have a quick runner review before we build the kit. And we got here gray parts for the inner frame, and this is your runner P. We got this minty white parts for the shield and armor pieces, and this is your runner C. Another minty white parts here for your armor pieces. This is the runner K2. So this is your runner K2, and runner K1 for the armor pieces, your minty white armor pieces. We got here white small parts for your V fins, and this is your runner D. We got runner Q for this gray parts here, small parts. We got this blue parts here for your torso and shoulder armor, which is runner N. We got the feet parts, or the red parts here for runner G, and runner M for the installation in your feet parts. So runner M and runner G. We got these gray runners here for the inner frame, and this is your runner L, and runner H here for the shield parts. We got two sets of polycaps. So this is your E and the regular polycap. So we got runner E here for the polycaps and the regular polycaps. Okay. We got this runner B gray parts for your guns and the inner frame parts, runner B. And your multicolored runner here, runner A, for the gray parts, the hand parts, and inner frame, beam saber effect parts, and clear pieces here. We got this yellow parts as well for the chest vents. So we got two kinds of chest vents, the one with an open hatch and the one with closed hatch here. So this is your runner O. And finally, we got stickers. We got this dry transfer sticker and your regular sticker there, clear stickers, and your foil sticker for the eyes and the V crest, and this red part for the knees. So thank you very much for watching this unboxing of the 1997 release of Bandai MASTERGRADE Gundam GP01FB, or your full burner. Goodbye, God bless, and take care. Happy building, everyone.